what actually restored the faith in the whole concept and the principles for us was the fact that the volunteers came and kept a glass bowl open that day, and Ashra Akriti was our charitable target, and they stood by that bowl and greeted all the riders, and those who assembled at the end of the event. Ashra Akriti came back and told us that they had collected more than 25,000 rupees of donation. And these are the common citizens who just came there and donated to them. And I think they discovered the joy of giving. And along the way came United Way, which again we are absolutely delighted to be associated with. If there is one global name associated with organized charitable initiatives, and that would be United Way. And I think we are especially proud to have that as our charitable partner. And starting with the Freedom Ride that was just concluded in August, it's an association that is growing by the day, and we believe that also will essentially become one of the integral parts of these rides as we go along. And as Anu said, HICC holds a very special place in our hearts, because back in 2009, with 189 riders on August 15 of that year, we flagged off the Freedom Ride, which has now become the biggest corporate cycling event of 6,000 riders. The only reason we ever moved out of HICC was the front yard here wasn't big enough to hold 6,000 riders. Peter, we look forward to the day when you guys expand, and we'll come back to an HICC property at that time. So a little bit more about the Peace Ride. We have experimented with quite a few concepts. From the success on the Necklace Road, we got an invitation from AP Tourism to do this at the Bapu Ghat in 2010. And the Chief Minister and the Governor of the state came on their own, actually held an event there that administered the oath that was based on Gandhian principles in 2010, and there were 500 riders, and all of them had assembled there starting from the midnight of October 2nd. As October 1st turned into October 2nd, the ride had flagged off from Taranati Baradari, concluded at the Bapu Ghat before 8:30. And throughout the night, there were a variety of interesting aspects, such as lighting the statue of Gandhi there, think about where this country is going, where our mindset is right now, and what is it that we can do. We instill that faith, we will do it. If raising the donations is going to do that, we will do that. If there's anything else that is to be done the right way, we are very sincerely committed to doing that. So with that, I'll pass on the mic to the rest of the dignitaries on the stage. But thank you for coming, and I'm sure you'll be with us throughout the ride and in the years to come by. Thank you.